Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your XIAOMI 17T. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove any screen protector or a case. It's very important that you get rid of it, because whenever your screen protector is not applied properly, then it can make your screen unresponsive or just less responsive, and we don't want it. That's why if it's going over to the edges or the side of the phone, you should remove it, no matter which direction, of course. And now for the case, if your case is covering the bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then you should get rid of it. As you guys can see, this case is perfect, but if you have a third-party case bought from a random store, for an example, and it just doesn't fit properly, you should remove it, because it can also make your touchscreen unresponsive. So now what are we going to do next is clean our screen. So I got the microfiber cloth for it. This is very important to clean it thoroughly. So here I have it. Now I'm just gonna put it like this, and I'm gonna give it a few swipes. Make sure that you cover the entire screen. So let me just quickly erase the phone and give it a big clean. Now the clean is done. As you guys can see, let me put it through the light. There's nothing. You can even see the reflection of the HardReset chips. Now I almost dropped it, but it doesn't matter, since now what are we gonna do is we're gonna force restart our phone. So press the power button, volume up button. Now press the power button, and we want to press, and it will just force restart itself after more than 10 seconds of holding. So it is listed as 11 here, and as you guys can see, we hold it until we see this right here. Now the phone is restarting, and it should be pretty quick. So I'll see you guys in a second. After the forced restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update our software to fix any touchscreen issues. So let's go over and click on the settings. Here in the settings, we want to click on About Phone and tap on the HyperOS. Now as you guys can see, I got no new updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so that you can fix your touchscreen issues and a lot more. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.